Hello, and thank you for joining us. Today, the question I wanted to address in terms of data management was buy versus build. This question essentially means, is it better to purchase a solution or to create one for yourself? What are the downfalls of buying an out-of-the-box solution? Many of our competitors cannot meet compliance every need, especially in light of the complexities of FATCA and OECD CRS. And out-of-the-box solutions generally addresses many solutions, but specialized needs or reaction to complex rules may be impossible. Many out-of-the-box solutions are stiff and rarely customizable. This leads to either too few or too many features, which leads to waste and error. Finally, out-of-the-box solutions may or may not be compatible with currently running software. For most financial institutions and tax authorities, the choices are between buying off-the-shelf solutions or building custom solutions. Only Envision can offer the advantages of custom software at a price that competes with off-the-shelf. Envision is the scalability of custom software with the ease of use found in boxed solutions. Custom compliance solutions specifically designed with your organization in mind and in light of tax treaties, bilateral agreements, and tax guidance from authorities. This will enable compliance work to be done more efficiently with less waste and error. With Envision, you can create one integrated IT solution and avoid the use of multiple standalone programs. Envision's comprehensive platform can bring major efficiency gains because all the data is housed in one place and the workflow is less disrupted. Reliance on the same out-of-the-box solution that your competitors use makes it nearly impossible to outperform them. Envision can be your competitive advantage with a solution that is ideally suited for your specific operations. Why not build a custom solution yourself in-house? The most obvious drawback is that choosing to build a non-core process often has negative results, including unforeseen expenses and additional overhead. With regulations like FATCA and CRS, particularly in light of the severe penalties for non-compliance and compliance errors, the benefits of buy heavily outweigh the headaches of build. Envision is an all-in-one solution that can streamline data collection, validation, management, storing, and cross-border reporting. Proprietary software takes an incredible amount of time to build successfully. Especially in light of regulatory deadlines, many organizations simply lack the time. Another obvious reason for choosing not to build is a limited budget. The costs associated with building custom software in-house are astronomical, compared to a solution that's been undertaken and vouched for by a third party. Building a workable solution in-house requires a strong development team with technical proficiency, and there needs to be in place an organizational structure that will hold the developers accountable for creating good projects. One of the loudest arguments against purchasing a solution is the fear that integration efforts will be overly time-intensive. At Rante, you are able to scale on demand without having to either deploy new services or hardware. Unlike other solutions, Envision lets you easily build and deploy hybrid applications that leverage resources in your data center, at service providers, and with Envision itself, all without the need for complex workaround and trade-offs. Unlike with other solutions, there is no steep learning curve with Envision. You'll be productive your first day on the cloud. You can also use a wider set of hybrid connections, including virtual private networks, content delivery networks, caching, private connections to ensure performance and ease of use. Finally, Envision runs on a growing global network of Rante managed data centers across the Americas, Europe, Asia, Africa, and the Middle East. At Rante, we deliver both the hardware and the services that around the world to meet the challenges of local, regional, and global businesses. Envision essentially takes the buy versus build question and makes it obsolete. Here we have a solution that is 100% customizable, as if you had outsourced the building, while avoiding all the headaches and the pitfalls of an in-house solution. Do any of these statements apply to your organization? Solution must be deployed quickly. Inadequate internal development staff. Staff lacks bandwidth or stretched too thin. Preference for a single capital expenditure. Preference for the flexibility of custom software with the ease of an off-the-shelf. The benefits of choosing Envision addresses each of these concerns. Clearly defined requirements and deliverables. The most up-to-date design capabilities. Reduced project timeline and budget. Reduced project and financial risk. Easy to maintain and enhance. Unlike other solutions, Envision is composed of integrated tools, unified services, and proven solutions that help you deploy an enterprise environment faster. By contrast, other solutions put the burden of integrating different services on you, which results in increased workloads, costs, delays. Unlike other solutions, Envision minimizes your risk, unlike traditional on-premises solutions. In addition, Envision provides your organization with the ability to deploy multiple virtual machines for firewalls, load balancers, and VPNs without the added hardware. With Envision, you can forget the added cost of hardware, software licenses, and development schedules when deploying a new service. Do you buy or do you build? With Envision, you get the customization and benefits of build with all the ease of use of buy. Reach out to your Rante representative today to learn more.